In this ukulele video, we're going to go over practice tip number 4. This one is simply called fingertips. All right, welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter, and this has been a series of practice tips. So we have other videos on little nuggets, little golden nuggets that I'm giving you on how to practice and get better at ukulele. So thank you for being here. If you're new to the channel, haven't done so already, please subscribe and turn on that bell notification. All right, so this one is very simply just called fingertips. And the reason is we're really talking about the left hand here. So anytime you're doing chords or any kind of single notes, even if you're just doing simple melodies, you want to play on your fingertips. Now, when you do that, you're going to notice all your knuckles are going to be bent. Okay, so it's really easy to see. If you have flat knuckles, that means you're not playing on your fingertip, you're playing on the pad of your finger. So as you bend your knuckles, you get right on that tip. That's going to give you clearance, so all those strings ring out, especially if you're doing any kind of finger picking. And again, if you're doing any kind of notes, soloing, melodies, that kind of stuff, same concept is going to help you play smoother, is going to help you play faster. Okay, so keep a track of that. Look at your hand. Are you playing on your fingertips? Are you playing on the pad? Because if you're playing on the pad, stop doing that and play right on the fingertips. So anyway, that's practice tip number 4, fingertips. If you need more help with this stuff, come on, check out ukelikethepros.com. We have a fantastic premium membership and a bunch of courses that are going to help you address whatever needs you need, whether it's songs or blues or music reading or theory. We got it all over there. So ukelikethepros.com, and we'll see you next time.